What's going on, everybody? It's Nico Moreno here, and we are starting our free live Q&A session. This is the chatbot monetization session. So if you guys are excited, if you're excited to be here, go ahead, give me some love down in the comments below. And also, if you're here live, go ahead, give this comment a like, give it a love, give it a smiley face, do whatever you want to do. All right, we got three people on here. All right. Awesome, you guys. So go ahead, say hello down in the comments. We got Maggie. Hi, Maggie. I'm glad you're here live. And let's see, who else do we got in the comments? Go ahead, give me a like, give me a love. Go ahead, show your support down in the comments below. And also go ahead, priority goes to the people who are actually taking the time out of their day to show up live. So go ahead, if you have a question, this session is for you, okay? So I'm here to give back to the awesome people, awesome members of this community. And this is a Q&A session. All right, we've got Bev. Awesome, Bev. Love it, love it, love it. We've got, all right, so Bev says, hi, Nico. Hi, Bev. I'm glad you're here. We've got Constantine here. Okay, thanks so much, everybody. Go ahead and give this a love. Give it a like and give it a comment down below. That's actually going to bump it up so that more people who are in the group are going to see this in their feeds, and then they're going to also be able to join us. All right, we got 6 people on here live. Awesome. So I really want to, again, if you're just showing up here, this is Nico Moreno here, and I'm super excited. I've actually been looking forward to this for a couple days, even though I just created the invite last night. I was kind of trying to figure out a good time that would be good for everybody here to get on the session live. So go ahead and let's see, we've got Kenton. All right, hey Kenton. We've also got Shachar. All right, hope I didn't butcher your name, but just let me know if I said it correctly. All right, so for everybody who's here, go ahead. All right, we got a bunch of comments coming in. All right, everybody who's here live, please go ahead. Let me know. Just type down your question down below. Again, this is going to be kind of like a free form, like Q&A session. Literally, I'm here to answer your specific questions because I want to help get you over the roadblocks to being able to actually monetize your chatbots. Whether you want to sell these to local businesses, small businesses, you want to actually sell this as a service. Or let's say you've got your own offers, like you have a digital course, you've got a training program, you've got a coaching program, whatever it is that you want to sell and you want to be able to monetize bots to sell more of your offers, right? So go ahead, comment down below with your questions, and I'm here for you. I'm here to help you, okay? So go ahead, okay, so we got Greg. Greg says, hey Nico, hey Greg, I'm glad you're here, man. Super happy Friday to everyone too. What are you guys doing this weekend? Are you guys gonna be making some money with bots? That's what we're here for, right? Okay, so I'm gonna give all these a like. So for everyone who's got a question, everyone who's here live, make sure and ask your questions down below, okay? So I know that we had a couple people ask questions yesterday, but priority goes to the people who are on here live. So if you're watching right here, right now, and you're excited, just like I am, go ahead, drop your question down below, and we'll get started. I'm here to help you, okay? This is a 100% free Q&A session from someone who is actually making money with chatbots, okay? I know there's a lot of people out there who are selling these courses or whatever, but I'm actually doing it here, okay? So I want to help you. I want to tell you exactly what I've been doing. Not only am I doing this to sell my own programs, but I also do this for clients. And so I sell bots to clients as well. Okay, so Shachar, by the way, am I saying your name correctly? I really hope that I am. But Shachar says, what if I'm just starting? How should I start? That is a great question. And again, please let me know in the comments if I botched your name and if I'm saying it correctly. Hopefully I am. Anyways, that's a great question. So if you are just getting started, then it kind of depends. If you want to be doing this, there's kind of 2 ways that you can go with chatbots, right? So you can either be offering chatbots to clients, right? So there's the one model on the one hand where you're offering chatbots, you're selling chatbots to other clients, okay? So that's option 1. Option 2, if you already have your own business or you have your own offers, let's say you're a consultant or something like that, or you have a digital training course, then that's option number 2, right? So you want to be selling your own offers that way, right? So there's kind of those 2 options. So the first thing is to make sure you know which direction you're going with bots, right? You're either going to be selling these to other people or you're going to be using them for yourself to sell your products. All right, so once you're clear on that, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead, you want to sign up for a free ManyChat account, okay? So go to www.manychat.com. I will post this down. Okay, he says that's fine, great, I'm glad. Okay, so then once you've got that, I want you to go over to manychat.com. I want you to sign up for a free account, okay? So just do that. It takes about 5 minutes, maybe even less, like 3 minutes. Then the next step from there is I want you to, there's a bunch of like great free resources on there, but also my YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna shout out my YouTube channel because I create incredible free content on there specifically for you guys and to help answer all the questions that I'm seeing that you guys, that you guys ask me. So what I'm gonna recommend is I recommend that you just poke around my YouTube channel. There's a ton of free, great stuff on there. Also, the free bots guide. So check out the link above, okay? That's actually gonna walk you through how to set up your first chatbot. Even if you're not a technical person, you've never had any experience building bots, that's actually the best first step right there. Because I wrote that specifically to take you from complete zero, knowing nothing about bots, to at the end, having your first working chatbot all set up, okay? So that's gonna be the very next step for you, okay? Even if you're someone who's built bots and you're someone who's played around with it a little bit, that's actually gonna help you like clearly define the action steps that you need to have in order to create a successful working chatbot that not only gets people like engaged at the beginning, but also continues to follow up with them because not everyone's gonna be ready to take action right away. So hopefully that makes sense for you. So step one is be clear on who you're gonna be, who you're gonna be selling to, whether you've got your own customers that you're gonna be selling your own offers, or if you're gonna be selling bots to other people. Next step is to use the free bots guide, which is up there in the description. So grab that completely free guide. It's from me to you. I wrote it myself. It's got all my best stuff in there, and it's gonna take you from complete zero to having a working chatbot in just about 15 minutes, right? So that's the best next step. And then from there, it's gonna have some additional next steps down at the bottom, all right? So it's also gonna prompt you to check out my YouTube channel, which has like more specific use cases. So if you are an affiliate marketer, there's a video on how to do it for affiliate marketing. If you're gonna be selling these to local businesses, there's a video on that too, okay? So all of these are on my YouTube channel. So step number one, grab that free guide up above. Step number two, check out my YouTube channel for more information on specific use cases. All right, so hopefully that was helpful for you. Now we've got Kenton says, booking bots to book small event or appointment. Kenton, that's a fantastic question. I actually created a free video on that. It's actually here in the group, okay? So after this session, go ahead, scroll down. It's called coaching. It's called like the coaching application bot, okay? It doesn't have to be for coaching. It can work for any application, right? So any type of, booking an application, booking an appointment, booking a free consultation, that's exactly what it is, okay? So that's a free 10-minute video that's here in this group for you, Kenton, all right? So go ahead, I want you to check that out because it's like, it literally walks you through the entire thing, okay? Like from start to finish. And it also explains like all the wording and all the chatbot flow, so you don't have to worry about what to say, about how to word it. It's all there for you, all right? So go ahead, check that video out once it's done. And I will try and, if I remember to afterwards, I'll also link here in the video, in the live session, I'll link to that video too. But go ahead, check that out after. Okay, so we've got Bev. Bev says, I am creating a live webinar funnel with target being employers, free webinar. Goal of funnel is to book face-to-face appointments with employers to offer employee benefits to their employees. How should chatbots be used for something like this? Bev, I love that question, and you want to know why? Because all of my high-ticket clients who I do this for, they do webinars, all right? That's like the niche that I specifically have been, where I basically got my start in that is with webinars. So I've got you covered, Bev, I've got you covered. So the first thing, again, that I want you to do, I want you to go up, grab that free guide, Bev. Okay, so that's gonna walk you through just kind of the basics, getting your account set up, understanding how you're gonna get people into the bot, and then how to follow up with them for a webinar, right? Because with webinars, as I'm sure you know, Bev, a lot of times people don't make the actual live session. So they sign up, but something comes up, they forget, they have another meeting, something like that, and they can't actually make the live session. So it's super important to follow up with them. And that's what bots are really, really great at, okay? So the free guide is going to teach you those two things. And then, Bev, the next step for you is I've also got at least 2, maybe even 3 free videos on my YouTube channel that specifically address bots for webinars, okay? Like I said, this is something that I personally do for my clients. And so that's why I'm pretty much the only person that like uses bots for that specific use case. And so I've created 2 to 3 free videos on my YouTube channel. So you can just go search Nico Moreno there on YouTube, or actually, if you sign up for the free bots guide, I think on the thank you page, it's gonna say, hey, if you wanna check out my YouTube channel, you can do that too, okay? So literally there's up to 3 free videos specifically on bots for webinars, Bev, and those are gonna help you out with not only the wording, but also just the high level strategy, and then kind of showing you each message and how to follow up with people properly for your live webinar. All right, so go check that out, Bev, and I hope that's gonna help you.